All right, let me show you how to do this equilibrant just using vector addition. Okay, basically the equilibrant is some vector c such that a plus b plus c equals 0. So therefore the equilibrant c is just equal to negative a plus b. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to find this by simply adding a and b, negating it, and then just you've got the vector, right? So let's do this. Let's make a little table A. Let's go B, and then we'll find C, right? Okay, so, whoops, failure to draw a horizontal line. Okay, so let's make this be the magnitude. Let's make this be the trig angle. Okay, let's find the x component and the y component. Okay, now remember, if we have the trig angle, this is always mag cos theta. If that's the trig angle, right? And this is always mag. Whoops, my y looks like an x. Okay, that's the problem with x and y. Okay, so this will be mag sine theta trig. Okay, now I got to put parentheses around that. Okay, so the magnitude of A is 17, the magnitude of B is 23. A's trig angle is this one here, right? So that'd be 48. And B's trig angle would be here, right? So it'd be 31 past 90, so it'd be 121. Is that right? Because everything, it's crucial that we not switch the magnitude and the angle. So I believe we've got that right. And then it's crucial that 48 plus 42 adds up to 90. Oh, that's good. All right. So now we're set. Now we just bust this guy out here, right? 17 cos 48, 17 sine 48. So the numbers are 11.375. And then the number here is 12.6335, roughly. Okay, so I'm going to store that in. Oops, no, I'm not going to store it. Okay, good enough. I'm just going to go for this, right? Okay, and then this guy here, I'm just going to bust this out. I'm going to go 23 cos 121, 23 sine 121. Okay, so these numbers are 11, negative 11.8459, I'll just say. And this is 19.7148. Whoa. Okay, so then A plus B is equal to okay, A plus B is equal to, what is this, 11.3752 minus 11.8459. This is fraught with opportunities to round off incorrectly. Negative 0.4707. And then this is, what is this, 12.6335. Really, you need a spreadsheet is what you need, right? Plus 19.7148. 32. If you had like a Casio class pad, those guys have spreadsheets in them. 32.348. Whoops. All right. This is A plus B, so of course the C, the one that adds onto it, is negative that. So it's positive 0.4707 and negative 32.3483. And now all you have to do is just draw a picture of this guy, right? So let's pretend we're on the origin here. You don't have to draw it with its tail on the origin. Just draw it somewhere, right? Okay, so here we're going to go to the right a little bit. I'm exaggerating that, right? And then let's go down. Okay, this is 0.47, that's 32.3483. Here's our, whoa, baby. Okay. And then that angle there, theta, is what an inverse tangent of the opposite over the adjacent, right? So the opposite is this side, 32.3483 over 0.4707. Okay, second tan, 32.34 divided by 0.4707. That's 89.166, or roughly 89.2. Right, so if that's 89.2, then this angle here with the x-axis, that could possibly be 0.8, right? Indeed it is, right? And then the magnitude here, the hypotenuse, that's what you need to find, right? The magnitude is just simply the square root of these guys squared, right? So 0.4707 squared plus 32.3. Oops, square root, left parenthesis, $32.35, okay, so 32.4 newtons, right? 89.2. If you just drew this thing, said that was 89.2 degrees, you'd be all set, right? You know, that's another way to do it. I don't really care which way you do. You do need to draw a picture of it. You do need to label the magnitude in some angle. You could label that one 0.8 or this one 89.2, or you could be gung-ho and tell me what the trig angle is, right?